Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Andile Silota. I'm the owner of Kamoneo Trading. We are an advertising business specializing in mobile billboards mounted on bicycle. We are working from Alberton in Palm Ridge. We started the business in 2024 in August. Our story is we were cycling around the townships, then we saw how effective cycling is. Then we came with an idea that we can use the bicycle to put ads on bicycles. So that's how we started the business, because we utilizing the bicycles and the community and the people who are around the community to use our services. We specialize in advertising. So our service is different than your traditional billboards. We take brands to the customers. We take brands to where the customers are. If you advertise with us, we go to your rural areas, urban areas, township, even informal settlements. We take your business to the customers. Our service, we are innovative. We are practical and we are flexible. If you do business with us, you are able to tailor market where your customers are. We follow your customers and we can change the routes where you want. Let's say the weather is bad for advertising, then we can move to a different location where the weather is good to advertise with us. So we are versatile and we tailor make your advertising. You can contact me on 064 7565 139 or on the email andile@kamoneo.com or info@kamoneo.com. Hi, my name is Andile from Kamoneo Trading and we love Township Entrepreneurs.